Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Good morning. We'd like to book a room, please.
Okay, how many people will be staying?
There are two of us, me and Pika.
Would you like a triple room or two separate rooms?
Two separate rooms, please.
Okay. Would you like to check in and check out?
Well, check in October 15 and check out October 17.
Great. We have two separate rooms available for 2,000 and 1,500 per night. Great. We have two separate rooms available for 2,015 rupees per night, including breakfast.
That's fine. Can we pay by cash?
Yes, you can. May I have your name for the booking?
Sure. It's Tina Park.
Okay, thank you, Miss Tina. Your room is confirmed. Your check-in time is 2 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
Okay, you're welcome. Enjoy your stay in Sunrise Hotel.
Thank you.